Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to start today. And this is going to be a 5-paragraph essay involving the Earth's early atmosphere. You've already read chapter 1 of The Habitable Planet, but now we're going to read 2 more articles, one from the New York Times and one about Titan. Both of these you've got handouts for. These are copies for you to have. You can take notes in them. You can highlight them. They're for you. Just make sure you put your name, block, and date at the top, so in case we find it, we can get it back to you. What you're going to be working on today is reading these articles and taking some source information from it to use in your essay. This source document is going to be used to write your rough draft, and we'll talk about the rough draft when I get back. But what you're going to start with is this. Find 3 facts that support each paragraph's questions. This will be the source material for the rough draft of the 5-paragraph essay that you will write on Earth's atmosphere and how it is evolved and how it is studied. In the final draft, you're going to have to include a parenthetical citation for all your work and a works cited page. We'll work through these when I return. So, paragraph 1. What is early Earth's atmosphere like and how is it different from today's atmosphere? Give specific examples from your reading. You're going to use the source material and multiple sources per paragraph. You're going to get information from Habitable Planet, from the New York Times article, and from the Titan article. All 3 of these are going to help you in writing this. Just so you can remember where you got your information from is using source material. So if you get something from Habitable Planet, write a 1 here. You get something from New York Times, write a 2 here. Or if you get something from Titan, write a 3 here. Now, depending on the article that you're working with, you may get more than just one thing, and that's okay. Paragraph 2. What different types of material do scientists study to find out what ancient Earth's atmosphere was like? And again, your 3 sources. You won't use all 3 sources in every paragraph, and that's okay. Paragraph 3. How does oxygen react to form new molecules with other elements? A good thing here might be to explain what a molecule is and how it differs from a single atom. Paragraph 4, what role did early life play in creating the atmosphere we have today? How does this connect with what we see on Jupiter's moon, Titan? And again, using your 3 sources. You may rely more heavily, though, on source 3, which is the Titan article for this one. Now, you can see in paragraph 5, I have no sources referenced. And the reason is because in paragraph 5, you're going to summarize what you've learned. You're not going to introduce any new material. So, explain from what you've read how different branches of science have contributed to our understanding of Earth's atmospheric evolution. So, taking what you've learned in paragraphs 1, 2, 3, and 4, summarize what you've learned in paragraph 5. And again, this is a rough draft for your rough draft, just bringing the material together. We are going to have to create parenthetical citations for all essays that we write this year. This is because we're not doing the original research. So with this, we're going to have to create a log of what we use. Now, Habitable Planet was something that had multiple authors. So all we're going to do for Habitable Planet is we are going to write Habitable Planet, the title, and then space, and then the page number, whatever page number you have. New York Times article is written by Zimmer, so we're going to use the last name and whatever page number we got for that. And the Titan reading, again, was an unauthored article, so we're going to use astrobiology space page number, and again, whichever page number you got for that. What you're going to be working on is just this in class today. If you finish it before the end of class, that's fine. You don't have to move on. When I get back, we are going to talk about what the next step is for our reading. Now, there's copies of this up on the website, and if you lose your readings, there are links to the 3 readings, Habitable Planet, New York Times article, and the Titan article that'll be available on the website as well. Good luck!